What's up, YouTube? It's PapiGunner. Here's the Radical Firearms budget build I've been working on for the past couple of months. Completed. One of the issues that I had with this thing when I was putting it together was when I machined this lower receiver here. It was an 80% lower receiver that I put together with parts ordered from Delta Team Tactical. Don't ever buy anything from them. It was firing on safe, and so I want to discuss that. So here's the problem I'm having with this trigger from Delta Team Tactical that I bought. If I take this thing, cock it, fires fine. If I take this thing, cock it, put it on safe, it still fires. Not good. So, my solution to this problem was to order this from Tom's Tactical Enhanced Nickel Teflon Trigger Group. This thing got great reviews. I'll take it out in a few minutes and lay it out, and then I'll pop it in the gun and see if the problem is the lower receiver that I already know was provided to me out of spec because the bolt release catch doesn't properly work without some additional machining, which it now works, or if the problem was or is this Delta Team Tactical trigger. So stay tuned. I'm going to switch these triggers out and we'll see. Okay, as promised, here is the Tom's Tactical Nickel Teflon trigger group that I ordered and all the parts it came with. Looks nice and clean. It says it's already polished. Let's see if I can get that in the light for you. Not very well. Most people say they didn't have to do anything to those. The surfaces felt very smooth. Got the Tom's Tactical trigger installed, as you can see. Very nice, very nice. Got that little cotton pad in there so when I test fire this thing I don't crack my lower. So let's find out. Firing on safe. Was it a result of the out of spec lower, or was it a result of the crap Delta Team Tactical trigger? First test. Fire. It fires hard. Ah, it's a smooth pull too. That's a nice one. I like this trigger already. Okay, put it on safe. Oh yeah. Look at that, y'all. It works. So the result is in. Delta Team Tactical trigger. You can kill people by accident if you buy crap parts. Tom's Tactical trigger is the right way to do it. That's what I bought right there. Enhanced Nickel Teflon Trigger Group. I know there's guys out there with $200 triggers laughing at me right now, but this $40 trigger is not going to kill somebody by accident or shoot me in the foot. Alright, PapiGunner out.